Champ Jones. Yeah, the people's champ. Yeah, I do it for the people. Listen. Blood of a slave, heart of a king. 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 Champ Jones, yo, I got the blood of a king, sword in a shield. Blood of a slave, sweat in the field. Blood of a nigga, shit get real. Blood of a killer, when niggas get killed. Blood of a doctor, when niggas get ill. Blood in the chakras to get niggas healed. Blood of a general, y'all know the drill. Blood of a hustler, y'all know the deal. Blood of a chef, cooking up meals. Blood of a chef, cooking up meals. Blood of the best at the top of the hill. Blood of the west, stacking up bills. Blood of a thug, caps get peeled. Blood of a drug, boy sit still. Ice cold blood, my life's on chill. Blood of a god, cause a nigga still here. A song, blood of a slave, heart of a king. Greetings to my champs all around the world. It's your boy Champ Jones. Welcome to another episode of Chattin Chapters. Today we're gonna get into one of the best books I read from a sound author, well-known, popular, solid author at that. And he has a few books out, but needless to say, this particular one hit it a little different than the other ones, man, in so many ways, as far as just the self-reflection, self-transformation elements in there, the reality, and much more. So let's get into it. Robert Greene does it again with another extraordinary book, this one titled The Laws of Human Nature. In this particular book, he digs deeper into the person. He digs deeper into the individual. He digs deeper into the thoughts and activities that surround human circumstances all over the world. What I found most astonishing about this book is the accuracy and the room for improvement depending on your interpretation. The laws of human nature not only identify the laws that surround everyone that's walking our beautiful planet, but ways you can engage and almost prophesize to change your way of living based off these laws. Given many examples from timeless times during our human history, you can learn to see why this book is a must bring home. Thank you, Robert Greene, for The Laws of Human Nature. Favorite chapters. Transform self-love into empathy. Elevate your perspective and confront your dark side. The Laws of Human Nature by Robert Greene. Now, it took me a minute, but needless to say, we got the job done. As y'all can see, it's a little lengthy. And like the other Robert Greene books that I love so much is the stories and historical reference that speaks to the nature of humans, the activity of humans, regardless of religious background, regardless of geographical location and dogmatic belief systems, it still patronizes things that's inevitable when groups and populations of humans come together, right? And like the power and seduction and the other books Robert Greene, he gives intricate details and examples on not only why this is a common human characteristic, flaw, theme, or activity, but he shows it in ways in which you can learn from it, identify it, grow from it, apply it. And it's no different than any other book he's made. It's so packed with information, compact with compassionate stories, examples, and details that can help you. There's a lot of chapters in this book that has personally opened my eyes to a lot of things that I wanted to work on in myself, and perceptions that I wanted to shift, and skills I wanted to enhance. So needless to say, man, The Laws of Human Nature, I highly recommend this book. Robert Greene does it once again. I give it a 5 stars, and I suggest and recommend that you go get your copy.
It's not hard to try. Some time ago, it's to live a better life.
There you have it, man. Another episode of Chattin Chapters with your boy Champ Jones. We discussed The Laws of Human Nature by Robert Greene. We're gonna keep this going. I hope everyone is making time to read, journal, write, and use their creative expression. Needless to say, we're gonna see you guys next time. Stay positive, stay motivated, stay real. One.
Champ Jones. Yeah, the people's champ. Yeah, I do it for the people. Listen. Blood of a slave, heart of a king. 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 Champ Jones, yo, I got the blood of a king, sword in a shell. Blood of a slave, sweat in the field. Blood of a nigga, shit get real. Blood of a killer, when niggas get killed. Blood of a doctor, when niggas get ill. Blood in the chakras to get niggas healed. Blood of a general, y'all know the drill. Blood of a hustler, y'all know the deal. Blood of a chef, cooking up meals. Blood of a chef, cooking up meals. Blood of the best at the top of the hill. Blood of the West, stacking up bills. Blood of a thug, caps get peeled. Blood of a drug, boy sit still. Ice cold blood, my life's on chill. Blood of a god, cause a nigga still here. A song. Blood of a slave, heart of a king.